The living room is about to change forever, and if you've been holding on to your current streaming setup, you might want to pay close attention. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the silent engine of the home entertainment world, but we are now at a tipping point. The latest internal whispers and supply chain leaks suggest that Apple is finally ready to pull the curtain back on a device that isn't just an update. It's a complete reimagining of the smart home hub. We are looking at a potential leap from the A15 Bionic to a custom, high-performance silicon that effectively turns your television into a console-level powerhouse. Think about the implications of the A17 Pro chip integration. We aren't just talking about faster menus or smoother animations. We're talking about the raw horsepower required for on-device Apple Intelligence. This means a Siri that actually understands context, handles complex home automation commands locally without hitting the cloud, and perhaps most importantly, provides a gaming experience that could finally give dedicated consoles a run for their money. We've seen the reports from supply chains indicating a shift to 8 gigabytes of unified memory, a massive jump that future-proofs this hardware for years of AI updates and high-end gaming. But what really matters is the why behind this release. Apple doesn't just refresh hardware for the sake of it. They do it when the software demands it. With the upcoming overhaul of the tvOS ecosystem, featuring deep integration with a new Siri AI, the current hardware is effectively being held back. You've likely noticed the slight stutters when multitasking between high bitrate streaming and smart home dashboards. That's exactly the bottleneck this new architecture is designed to shatter. And let's talk about the connectivity. The move to Wi-Fi 7 and potentially a new N1 networking chip isn't just for faster downloads. It's about low-latency streaming and real-time responsiveness that will change how your smart home devices talk to each other. The design aesthetic remains classic, but the internals are seeing the most significant overhaul we've tracked in over 4 years. Some reports suggest we might even see a Pro variant, something that pushes the envelope even further into the enthusiast space. If you've been debating an upgrade, the timing of these leaks, coinciding with the late-year shift in Apple's roadmap, suggests that waiting just a few more months could be the difference between buying a legacy device and owning the next generation of home cinema. We're looking at a device that bridges the gap between a streaming box, a smart home controller, and a high-end gaming console. It's an ambitious play, but when you look at the trajectory of Apple's current silicon and their focus on local AI processing, it's the only logical step forward. Stick with me as we break down these specifications, the pricing logic, and why this specific model could end up being the most important piece of hardware in your living room for the next half-decade.